Energetic, slightly dramatic, are you ready to embark on the most delicious journey of your life? We are not talking about your average dinner. We are talking about the food experiences that will redefine your taste buds, challenge your palate, and leave you utterly speechless. From ancient recipes perfected over centuries to modern marvels that have taken the world by storm. Today, we are counting down 25 iconic dishes you absolutely must try before you kick the bucket. Get ready for the ultimate global feast. Enthusiastic, encouraging, and there you have it. 25 incredible dishes that represent the culinary soul of our planet. From the bustling street food stalls of Mexico to the elegant kitchens of Japan, each of these foods tells a story, embodies a culture, and promises an unforgettable taste experience. So, how many have you checked off your list? Which one is calling your name the loudest? Let us know in the comments below. Don't just watch, go out and taste the world. Hit that like button if this video made your stomach rumble, subscribe for more epic food adventures, and ring the bell so you never miss a bite. Until next time, keep exploring, keep eating, and keep chasing those delicious memories.